Okay, hey guys. So today we are going to be modeling um, one of these stones from the fifth element. This one right here is where I'm going to start. It is the earth totem, if you will. So right here I'm going to go into SolidWorks, start a new um, part, and then one of the big things with the designing is to keep um, your designs, your design tree, which is found over here on the left hand side. You want to keep that as simple as possible, so that when it gets shipped off to someone else, it doesn't look like a jumbled mess. So I'm over here on the top plane. I'm going to right click on the top plane and create a sketch. Over here in Sketch, I am going to start by drawing a triangle. So that's 3 sides right there. I'm going to go with the inscribed circle, and I'm going to make it be about 90 degrees. Alright, and then I check that. And now I'm going to go over here to the fillet section and actually go to the chamfer. And with these stones, you're going to have each of the sides, these corners are actually going to have to be flattened out. So you just select the 2 sides you want to chamfer, and that's 2, and that's 3. Alright, and you just push the check mark right there. Then you're going to extrude it by going to Features, Extrude Base, and you can either go and drag this until it looks right, or you can actually go in here if you want it to be more specific and say 200 millimeters. Alright, I'm going to go right in here, and now I am going to make a sketch right here on this plane, clicking the plane, the face, and entering the sketch. Then I go over here and right click on the sketch, and then this is the normal 2, which will bring it facing me so that I can draw however I please. So I'm going to start off right here, and I don't want to go much higher. I'm going to start with a construction line that details the height of each of the original lines. So this first one doesn't need to be that high. Let's call it 10, see how that looks. That looks about right. And then I'm going to click the rectangle, and over here we have a bunch of different shapes of rectangles, or different styles of rectangles. And I'm actually probably going to go with this one. And if I hover right over here, over this point here, it will actually show, you see this little blue line comes out, it keeps it at the length that I want it. So if I go into Smart Dimensions, I can pull this up right here to the desired length. We're going to want it to wrap around the stone, not all the way, but if you were to do this, I would say to go see what 200 looks like. Yeah, we could probably go a little higher, let's say 250. Alright, and now we are going to click out of the Smart Dimension. If you click this button here, and you click again, and then you zoom in right here on this line, and you select as close as you can to that point. That's a shift click, and there's this little connector right here. It's a mate. It says make midpoint. By doing that, it puts this line right here, length line, at the midpoint. So then I'm going to dimension this side here, and let's call this one 0.75. Oops, I meant to put 7.5. Yeah, definitely 0.75 would not work. Anyway, I'm just going to take a look to see, make sure that looks about right. I'd say it does. I'm going to go back into this page right here, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines that meet about at the halfway point. So if I were to go back into SolidWorks,